For this project, I used some large resin letters that I had picked up on Amazon a long time ago. And I only have one O, so I have to do the B and the O and then the O separate. And I just mixed it up with some resin and some orange mica powder. And the resin that I used for this, even though I don't show it, is yellowed resin. Don't ever throw out your yellowed resin, because yellowed resin still works fine. And if you're adding a color to it, a mica powder, nobody's going to know the difference. So that's actually what I used for this resin that I tinted with the orange mica powder. So when I bought these letters, I actually bought them as a set of the whole alphabet, but now, since then, I have found out that you can buy individual letters on Temu for like $1.70 a piece, so it's a real good deal. So I did go ahead and order some more letters. When you demold the resin, you'll find that the top part actually has kind of a rough or sharp edge on it. Not sharp enough to cut yourself, but it is kind of sharp. And I'm using a deburring tool here to get the sharp edge off, and it's real easy to do, especially if you do it right after you demold it the next day. The longer you wait, the more cured the resin becomes, and the harder it is to get the sharp edge off. So of course I made a second O, and you can see on this one that the second O came out a little bit different. It kind of left a ring around it, but that's okay. So next I'm going to decorate them, and I decide to cover up that little ring. That's where I'm going to put the black cat. And this black cat I actually got up at the Dollar Tree last year. Here I have the Let's Resin UV bonding resin. And you know, UV resin does not penetrate, the light does not penetrate anything that's opaque. So I'm just kind of putting it between the cat and the letter and holding it in the center, and it does work. You could just as easily use some E6000 or some other kind of glue and just let it set there, but I was kind of impatient and wanted it glued on. So I thought the black cat would hide a little bit of the imperfections on the O and still look cute. I really liked the black cat. And then for the one of the O's, I used this spider, and this spider is actually a hair clip that I picked up at the Dollar Tree. There was 4 of them on one card, and I just had to take the hair clip off the back. And sorry, I'm kind of off center a little bit there. And then I had this witch's hat that I had actually picked up at Michael's. There was 2 of them in a container for one price. And then I put a second spider at the bottom of the B, again with the UV resin. I was thinking about putting this little hand on there, but I ended up taking it off. Hey everyone, I hope you guys like my boo. So I have the whole alphabet in these silicone letters, but I did notice on Temu you can order them individual for like $1.70 each letter. So if you just wanted it to, you know, spell a certain thing out, like Merry Christmas or Joy or whatever, you can just order them individually. But anyway, I thought that was cute. I was trying to think of something to do. The other word I was thinking of was eek, you know, E-E-K, and then put some different things on it. But these little spiders I actually got from the Dollar Tree, and they're actually hairpins. There was 4 of them on this, and you can see it's a hair clip. You can see the little clip. So there's 4 of those. I guess that's what it's supposed to be. And then the little hats I got from Michael's. There was 2 in a package. And anyway, and this, I think I got the little kitty cat from Dollar Tree also last year. But anyway, I thought it was something cute, something different to do. I hope you guys enjoyed the project. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you enjoy the channel, go ahead and subscribe. Facebook page going, great bunch of people displaying beautiful artwork, so friendly, very, very helpful. Come join us there, and I hope you guys all have a great day. Thanks for watching.